is very easy topic. You should know 4 rules and you can just do the calculations by that rules. Okay? Rule number 1 is, if you have positive times the positive number, the answer will be positive. Okay? If you add a positive number to other positive number, the answer will be always positive. Rule number 2 is, negative times negative equals positive. If you have a negative number times the other negative number, the answer will be in positive. Okay? The third rule is, if you have a positive times negative or negative times positive, the answer will be negative. Okay? If you multiply a negative number by a positive number, the answer will be negative. Or if you multiply a negative number from the positive number, the answer also will be a negative number. Okay? Now, these 2 rules, by using these 2 rules, let's try to write a sentence. Positive times the positive is positive. Negative times the negative is positive. So that means if you have the same signs, the answer will be positive. Either it can be negative times negative or positive times positive. The answer will be positive. If you have similar signs, either positive times positive or negative times negative, result is positive. Okay? And if you have positive times negative or negative times positive, the answer is negative. So that means if you have different signs, either it is positive times negative or negative times positive, the answer will be always negative. The result is negative. Okay? Let me write it as a sentence. Different signs if you have a different signs, the result is negative. Okay? Now let us do some problems with these rules. Okay? Problem number 1. If you have 5 times negative 3, what is that equal to? 5. First multiply the numbers normally. First let us do the multiplication. 5 times 3, that's 15. Okay? And here you have different signs. Here 3 is in negative and 5 is in positive. So stick the negative sign there. Problem number 2. 7 times 3. Seven times 3. Why did you have parenthesis here? Is the parenthesis, if you have parenthesis and no symbol between them, that's the same thing as multiplying. If you have like this, 5 dot in the middle times 3. That means dot here means multiplying these two numbers. 5 times 3 is 15. Or you can have like this. 5 in parenthesis and 3 in the parenthesis. That is also 15. That is the same thing as multiplying. If you have two numbers in parenthesis, that is same thing as multiplying. Or 5 times 3. If you have x symbol between them, it is also multiplying. Okay? Don't confuse. If you have any of these, that's the same thing as multiplying them. So 7 times 3 is 21. These two numbers are in positive, so they have the same sign. So the answer is positive. If you have negative 7 times negative 7, that is equal to 49. 7 times 7 gives us 49, and here negative sign and here negative sign. Two negative signs make a positive. Okay? Here you have same signs. So the answer is in positive. Problem number 4 is 5 times negative 3. What is that equal to? 5 times 3 is 15. The signs are different. So I put negative sign here. If you take this negative sign and put it here, that it becomes negative 5 times 3. That also gives us negative 15. Okay? Either you put negative sign here or here. Either you put the negative sign here or here, you will get the same answer. Because if you put negative sign here, two are different. This is positive and this is negative. So the signs are different. So you will get the negative answer. If you put it here, it is positive and negative. It is negative. So it has different signs. So answer is negative 15. Let us move on to example 5. Negative 7 times negative 7. Sorry, positive 7. Negative 7 times a positive 7 is negative 49. 7 times 7 is 49. Here you have different signs. Here you have the positive and negative. So the answer is in negative. Problem 6. Negative 8 times 9. Here parentheses mean you are multiplying two numbers. So 8 times 7 is 72. And here you have got negative and positive sign. So the answer is in negative. Problem 7. 9 times negative 3 equals 9 times 3 is 27. Here it seems to be different signs. Here you have negative sign and a positive sign here. So the answer will be in negative sign. Answer is negative 27. Problem 8. Three times 5. Now 3 times 5 is same thing as negative 3 times negative 5, because we have same signs there. The answer is 15. This is the same thing as negative 3 times negative 5. Okay? If you multiply these two, 3 times 5 is 15, and here you have same signs. So the answer is positive. Problem 9, let us say 7 times 2. That is equal to 14. Here the signs are same. So the answer is positive. Now let us move on to 10th problem. Negative 7 times negative 9 equals, if you take 7 times 9, that is 63. And here the signs are the same, negative and negative. So the answer will be positive, 63. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you for